Hi guys, for those of you starting out, this is a great way to create a blend between two tracks if your original concept didn't work out. I went back and I found a drum pattern and I looped it. I actually duplicated it. Notice at the very end I actually faded out. Then I come in with my new song and I fade that in so it doesn't sound too noisy. And that up there, that's just little sound effects to help it all come together. So in the end, we wind up with something like this. Be sure to leave me any questions or comments on the bottom, okay guys? Best wishes.